Hey guys, so I actually had some of you guys ask me why I like doggy. I've actually been trading doggy or just been in doggy for like the longest time, and you can see that I'm not new, right? I've been trading a couple grand here and there on doggy and stuff, right? But I like doggy simply because it's the most fun crypto. I mean, apart from Bitcoin, apart from Ethereum, apart from Litecoin, like they're all taking themselves extremely seriously, which they are, right? Obviously, they're it's not a fad. It's gonna be implemented. PayPal, Square, everybody. It's a thing now. It's solidified itself in the world. And doggy is just kind of one of those things that it gets thrown in the mix, and maybe someday it ends up being like exaggeratedly worth a shit ton of money for no apparent reason. This is basically like you buying a Supreme brick for like $1,000, or you buying, or it's fool's insurance basically. It's you're buying Bitcoin back when Bitcoin wasn't Bitcoin. Like, what is it? His name Chamath Palhar, whatever his name is. He actually said that he bought Bitcoin because it was fool's insurance. He didn't know if it was going to blow up or not, but he still put some money into it because you never know. And that's exactly why I like doggy. Plus, it's also Elon Musk's favorite crypto, apart from Bitcoin. And on the long term, I do like doggy. I do like the usage of it. It's basically Bitcoin. It just has kind of like a commodity name and everything, but it's just my favorite because it's fun, man. I mean, as far as fool's insurance goes, I don't mind throwing $100 into this and then kind of seeing where it is, 5 years.